In this video, I'll show you how to check member roles on a Discord server. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Member roles are like different roles like you can be given from the owner of the server, maybe a community moderator, a community manager, and a whole lot of them. So for us to basically see a member role, what we're gonna do now, you're gonna right click your mouse right. Once you've right click your mouse, you're gonna click on this profile to be able to see the member roles of this individual. His name is Fred. You can see these are the member roles that are active. He's the community moderator of the server, right? You can see this, you can see this, you can see he's verified as well. So this is basically how you can see or how you can check the member roles of an individual on a Discord server. If you find this video helpful, share it as well in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.